How to delete stickers on Instagram. Ever posted an Instagram story and immediately regretted that sticker placement? Maybe it's covering someone's face or you just want a cleaner look. Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to remove stickers from your Instagram stories before and after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're covering a quick but super useful skill: how to delete stickers on Instagram. Whether it's a poll, emoji, GIF, or location tag, I'll walk you through removing them at every stage, while editing, right before posting, and even after your story is already live. Step 1. Removing a sticker while you're still editing. After you add a sticker to your story, simply tap and hold it. You'll see a trash can icon appear at the bottom of the screen. Drag the sticker down toward that trash icon and release. Done, it's gone instantly. Step 2. What if you want to undo it even faster? Just tap the back arrow at the top left of the editor right after adding the sticker. This undoes your last action without affecting anything else on your story. Step 3. Removing a sticker from a story that's already posted. Open your story, then tap the three-dot menu icon in the bottom right corner. Select Edit Story. Your sticker will now be editable. Tap and hold it, drag it to the trash icon at the bottom, and hit Done. Instagram will update your story automatically. Step 4. If you can't edit the sticker and want it completely gone, you also have the option to delete the entire story by tapping those three dots and selecting Delete. Then simply repost your content without the sticker. Here's an expert tip. Before posting any story, pinch and zoom your stickers to resize them or rotate them into a better position first. Taking 10 seconds to arrange everything intentionally means you'll almost never need to go back and delete anything. Prevention is always faster than correction, and that's it. Now you know how to remove stickers on Instagram at any stage, while editing, right before posting, and even after going live. No more messy stories cluttering your profile. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a quick tip like this. And drop a comment below: what's your go-to Instagram sticker? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.